Hey everyone, my name is Siavash Ahmadi. I'm a graduating senior this semester, and for my application, I decided to create a battery life manager application. And my little logo that I drew right there. And so the high-level app description, I created a battery life managing app. It has a little graphic to display the battery level percent. It gives you the time until your battery is going to drain, or the time until it takes for your battery to charge to full, either or. It gives you the charge state, whether your phone is receiving power or not. And then I also added another little button down here to show apps running background processes. And when you click that, it just takes you to the Android. Well, I'll show you real quick. It takes you to Android's own little apps with usage access page. And then you can enable and disable app processes at that location. And the overall design architecture, I use 3 Java classes. The main activity class, obviously, for my app structure. And then I had to create 2 classes, one for the process manager to display that usage statistic page, and an adapter. And an adapter, when you're coding Android projects, is essentially a constructor for your data. It transforms the data so you can manipulate it properly and display it properly in your app. And that is what this picture is here on the right. It's pretty similar to a constructor that you would make in Java. And the OS level functionalities, I use the battery manager from the Android OS page of the API calls. I have just put a little quick screenshot right over here of that. And through that one import statement, we can retrieve a lot of different information about the battery, the levels, and different settings that we can change. And other than that, there was just minor calculations created with the battery level, as well as the time, so we could determine, the time till charge and the time till empty. And other OS level functionalities would be the usage page, the app's running background processes. And that was done pretty simply and easily through Android's own little usages. And I have my demo right here. Oops, no. Here we have my app, my main activity page, my activity main XML. It's very interesting using XML pages to create apps. It's very fun. And when I run the app on this Pixel emulator, you can see, considering it's a emulator, it's not going to really show me the battery level to the best of its ability. I did port the app onto my Nexus tablet, and it worked fine then. I was able to get time rather than just this 2 hours that's going to stay stationary, because I have it like that in my strings. It was all working, and when you unplug and replug your phone back into charge, it will change and say charging. And then you can go ahead and click the app button and see what apps are running in the background. You can permit usage access, so you can turn that off, come back, and we're good. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple app, but I use some OS related level API calls, and that's all. Thanks for listening.